Welcome to my maths class. Today we are going to study basic geometrical ideas. There's some basic, we need some basic ideas, like how to draw a square, how to draw a rectangle, how to draw a trapezium. Right. Okay. First one is point. We know that word point. This is a point. A. That shows a particular position. A. Point A is showing a particular position. Then point B. This shows another position. So the point is a dot that shows a particular position. Next is ray. Ray. See here, this is a ray, arrow mark. It has one starting point and no end point. Yes, a ray has one starting point and no end point. It is goes on infinitely. It is goes on. So we can't measure its length. We can't measure its length. We can denote this is AB. Then ray AB. Don't want to write it. You can write ray AB. That is AB is a ray. Next, line. Line. This line has no starting point and no end point. It goes both the sides. Infinitely, it moves on both the sides. So we can't measure its length. This is line. When you write, mention this as AB, we can read it as line AB. You can denote this as like this. AB, upper way, draw a line. Line AB. Next is line segment. Line segment. A portion of a line. A portion of a line. Line segment AB. Here you what you will say? What will we say? Line segment. It has one starting point and one end point. It has one starting point and one end point. Then we can measure its length. We can measure its length. Then when we write AB, then we read it as line segment AB. Line segment AB. This is line segment AB. This is ray AB, line AB, line segment AB. Okay. Next we study angle. Angle. When two line segments of two rays meet at a common point makes an angle. Okay. When two line segments of two rays meet at a common point, it makes an angle. Meet at a common point. It makes an angle. Understand? This is angle. This is vertex. Common point of a two line or line segment is vertex. Makes an angle. These are arms. How to denote A. The meeting point is O. This is B. Angle. How to write the angle? The vertex comes at the middle. So, angle. This is angle symbol. Angle A, O, B. O is the vertex, is it? Makes an angle. So, that comes at the middle. Angle B, O, A. Understand this one? Angle. That is two line segment or line meeting at a common point form an angle. The meeting point is called the vertex. Then there are different types of angles that we studied in the 5th standard. Types of angle. Do you know what are the types of angle? First one, acute angle. What is acute angle? Its value is less than 90 degree. The measurement of an angle is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. That means it comes in between 0 to 89 degrees. This is acute angle. Next is right angle. Okay, figure, acute angle, figure, see here. This is acute angle. Then right angle. Right angle is equal to 90 degree, not more, not less. It is at what? Accurate 90 degree, not more, not less. 90 degree equal to, the angle is equal to 90 degree called right angle. See here. They will mention like this, 90 degree. Then, next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, that is greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Greater than 90 degree. That means from 91 onwards. Greater than 90 degree is obtuse angle. Next is straight angle. Next is straight angle, that is 180 degree. Equal to 180 degree is called straight angle. A straight line. Its angle is 180 degree. Angle is 180 degree. Straight angle. Next, reflex angle. Reflex angle, that is greater than 180 degree. Greater than 180 degree is called reflex angle. See here. This one. Greater than 180 degree. That is reflex angle. Next, complete angle. Complete angle. That means how much? 360 degree. 360 degree. Can you say one example which has 360 degree? A circle. Here see. When we start from here, then moving and finishing it in the starting point. That makes 180 degree. Not 180, 360 degree. It makes a circle. 360 degree makes a circle. Once again see types of angle. Acute angle, that is less than 90 degree. Right angle equal to 90 degree. The angle is equal to 90 degree. Then obtuse angle, the angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree. Then straight angle, the angle whose measure is 180 degree. Next, reflex angle, the angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree. Next is the complete angle, that means an angle whose measure is 360 degree. An example is a circle. These are the types of angles. Understand? Next is intersecting lines. Two lines. See here, line L and line M meet at a point. That so L is intersect in M. That means two distinct lines meeting at a point. Two distinct lines meeting at a point is called intersecting point. These lines are called intersecting lines. This point is called intersecting point. This point is called intersecting point. These lines are called intersecting lines. Two distinct lines meet at a point is called intersecting point. Next is parallel lines. Parallel lines. Two lines will not meet anywhere. This cannot meet anywhere. So L and M are called parallel lines. Then parallel lines, how to write it? L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. Otherwise, we can, when we mention this as A, B, C, D, that is line AB is parallel to line CD. Parallel symbol. See the symbol. Parallel. These parallel lines will not meet anywhere. Okay. Next. Polygon. Next is polygon. A polygon is a simple closed figure made by line segment. That is, a polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segment. You know line segment. So, closed curve made up of line segment. This is a simple closed curve. This is closed. Set. These are line segments. AB line segment. BC line segment. CD line segment, AD line segment. അതായത് line segment കൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടായ closed curve, not open curve, closed curve is called a polygon. Okay. Next, this polygon, see here, there are some points. The line segments are the side of the polygon. Line segment are the side of the polygon. From this polygon, there are some sides. AB is a line segment, that is a point AB. BC is a side, then CD and AD or DA, these are the sides. Then next, any two sides with a common point or adjacent sides. Next is adjacent side. Any two sides it have a common point. രണ്ട് സൈഡിന് ഒരു കോമൺ പോയിന്റ് ഇരുന്നാൽ അത് അഡ്ജസന്റ് സൈഡ്. സോ സീ ഹിയർ AB is adjacent to AB and AD. Here which is the common point? A is the common point. Then BC and CD is a common point, or BC and BA. There is one common point, B. Next is vertex. Vertex means any two line segments meeting at a point make an angle. That common point is called the vertex. So what are the vertex here? A, B, C, D are the vertex. For A, B and AD there is one vertex A. That is common point, vertex. Next is adjacent vertex. Next is diagonals. There the two opposite vertex join in a line segment. Two opposite vertex join in a line segment form a diagonal. That means the join of any two non-adjacent vertex is called a diagonal. Non-adjacent, adjacent means near. Non-adjacent point vertex joined by a line segment is called diagonal. Here what are the diagonals? AB and BD or DB are the diagonals. Okay. Next is adjacent vertices. The endpoints of the same side are adjacent vertices. The endpoint of the same side. Endpoint of the same side are adjacent vertices. That is, here see A, B. In a line AB, there is two points A and B. These are adjacent, near. B, C. These are adjacent. C, D, adjacent. But see here, AC is opposite. AC is opposite. A and C, vertex A and vertex C is opposite vertices. A, B is adjacent vertices. Okay. Now you can see in the next video.